Morning students, welcome back to maths class. Hope you all are fine. Students, yesterday we have done question number 4, question number 3rd from the exercise 10D. Fill in the blanks. Today we will start question number 4 from the same exercise. So fourth question. Now the question is, I had to fly to Mumbai from Delhi, where temperature was 45 degrees Celsius. From Delhi, where temperature was, it means 45 degrees Celsius is the temperature in Delhi. Now in Mumbai, I found the temperature was less by 20 degree Fahrenheit than Delhi. What is the temperature in Fahrenheit in Mumbai? So read your question very carefully. The question is based on to find the temperature in Mumbai and in Fahrenheit. So let's start. So you will write here temperature in Delhi. What is the temperature of Delhi? 45 degrees Celsius. This is 45 degree Celsius. But the demand is of Fahrenheit. The question is, check the last line. What is the temperature in Fahrenheit? So this question is based on to give your final result in Fahrenheit. So first of all, we will convert this Celsius to Fahrenheit. So apply the formula. As we know that Fahrenheit is equal to under the bracket C multiplied by 9 by 5 plus 32. Why we are changing? Why we are changing this Celsius to Fahrenheit? Because in the question demand is of Fahrenheit. That's why. Now what is Celsius? 45. 45 multiplied by 9 by 5 plus 32. Now cancellation in the table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 nines are 45. So 9 multiplied by 9. 81 plus 32. So 81 plus 32 and add 81 with 32. Look here, 81 with 32, 113. 113 degree Fahrenheit. Now, temperature in Mumbai. Now come to the temperature in Mumbai. Check your question. In Mumbai, temperature was less by 20 degree Fahrenheit. So what is the meaning of less? Less is the indication of very good, Samriti Dev. Very good. Minus. Less is the indication of minus. So temperature in Mumbai is 20 degree Fahrenheit less than Delhi. So this is the Delhi temperature. 113 minus 20. So 93 degree Fahrenheit. So in the result you will write temperature in Mumbai is equal to 93 degree Fahrenheit. So this is the way to solve this sum. First of all, read your statement very carefully. Check that the question is based on Celsius or question is based on Fahrenheit. This question is based on Fahrenheit. That's why we are converting this Celsius to Fahrenheit. But if the final demand is of Celsius, then we will convert the Fahrenheit to Celsius. So first of all, read your question very carefully. Note down, and after that we will start fifth question. Now the fifth question. Fifth question is temperature recorded in the morning was 25 degrees Celsius on 1st October. But during the day time, temperature increased by 10 degree Fahrenheit. So temperature increased by, now write down in the chat box, increased by. Increase is the indication of which operation, plus or minus? Very good response. Increase is the indication of addition operation. Yes. So find the temperature during daytime in Fahrenheit. Temperature during the day in Fahrenheit. So fifth question, you will write here temperature recorded in the morning. Temperature recorded in the morning, 25 degree Celsius. Now tell me, what is the first step to solve this sum? What is your first step? Very good, Myra. Yes, good. Converting to Fahrenheit. Why we are converting to Fahrenheit? Because check the last line. Find the temperature during daytime in Fahrenheit. Demand is of Fahrenheit. So that's why we are converting this Celsius to Fahrenheit. So apply the formula, and formula is very compulsory. Fahrenheit is Celsius multiplied by 9/5 plus 32. Now put the value Celsius. Celsius. What is 25? So 25 multiplied by 9/5 plus 32. Now look here. Cancellation. Here. Under the bracket. According to board mass, first of all you will solve the bracket, and under the bracket cancellation is possible. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. So 5 multiplied by 9, 45 plus 32. So this is 77 degree Fahrenheit. After addition, you will get 77 degree Fahrenheit. Now write down temperature recorded during daytime. Daytime. Now, during daytime, temperature increased by 10 degree Fahrenheit. Increased. Increased in the morning, temperature was 77 degree Fahrenheit. But during the day, this temperature increased by 10. So, 77 plus 10, 87 degree Fahrenheit is your final result. Less is the not 97. Gauri Sharma, 87, not 97. 77 plus 10 is equal to 87, not 97. So 5 nines are 45. 45 plus 32, 77. Then increased by. So less is the indication of subtraction and increased word is the indication of addition. So read your question very, very carefully. And better to use result word in mathematics. Avoid using answer word. Students, in mathematics, use result word and avoid using answer word. So, in the last again, result. In the result, you will write. So, what is the result? This is temperature recording during daytime. Temperature during day time is equal to 87 degree Fahrenheit. So this is the result. Note down. In the examination, it is compulsory to write this formula. Formula of any topic. If formula is applicable, then first of all, you will write down the formula, then you will start. Now, come to the sixth question. A sick person having 104 degree Fahrenheit temperature took some medicine to control fever. After some time, he realized that temperature dropped means going down less by 3 degree Celsius. So what is his temperature in degree Celsius? Now in this question, demand is of Celsius. Check the last line. In the last two questions, the questions are to find the final result in Fahrenheit. But in this question, the statement is find the temperature in degree Celsius. So, now sixth question. What you will write here? Person. Temperature of a sick person. Temperature of a sick person. 104 degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit. is given to you, but the demand is of Celsius. So in the first step, we will convert this Fahrenheit to Celsius. As we know that Celsius is equal to under bracket Fahrenheit minus 32 multiplied by 5 by 9. This is the formula. Celsius is Fahrenheit minus 32 multiplied by 5 by 9. So Fahrenheit, check. This is Fahrenheit. What is the value? 104. So in place of Fahrenheit here, you will write 104 minus 32 multiplied by 5 by 9. Now 104 minus 32. 104 minus 32. 4 minus 2, 2. Here, subtraction not possible. So, borrow. 10 minus 3, 7. 72. So, 72 multiplied by 5 by 9. Cancellation. In the table of 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 eights are 72. So 8 multiplied by 5, you will write 40 degree Celsius. And it is very much compulsory to write this unit. So this is Celsius. So here you will write 40 degrees Celsius. Now come to the last line. After some time, he realized that temperature dropped by. Dropped means going down less. And this drop word is the indication of subtraction. So, temperature after some time. So 40 minus 3, 37 degrees Celsius. So this is the result. In the result, you will again conclude temperature after some time. Again write this thing in result. Temperature after some time is equal to 37 degrees Celsius. So this is the way to solve these kind of sums. First of all, read your statement very carefully. What is to be given, what is to be find, demand of which unit. If in the final demand is of Celsius, then you will convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. But if the demand is of Fahrenheit, then you will convert whole units to the Fahrenheit. Note down, and after that come to the exercise 10B. I want to discuss question number 8 with you. 10B exercise question number 8, division. Question is divide 10B, 8th question. Question number 8. Divide 63.924 by 20. Now look. बेटा अगर आप इसको बोलोगे ना 63.924 डेसिमल 924 तो ये गलत होगा. आफ्टर डेसिमल you will not write 924. You will say this is 63.924. So 63. If the question is what is the name of this, what is the name of this, then you will write 63.924. And if you write 924, then this is incorrect, wrong. After before decimal Indian system, after decimal no Indian system. This is the Indian system 900. So you will apply this Indian system always before the decimal, and after the decimal there will be no Indian system. So the name of this number is 63.924. So this is the name 63.924. This is the name of this number. This is very important. Now divide. So 63.924. One thing is very important. If the sum is based on multiplication, addition, division, subtraction, then you will show that calculation in fair, as this sum is based on division. So you will show this division work in fair, not in rough. So I am repeating once again, as this sum is based on division, divide. So you have to show this division in fair, not in rough. If you will solve this in rough and write solution, result here, then no marks is given to you. So if the question is of divide, then write divide in fair. Now 23s are 60. 3 nines, 9 comes down, but here you have decimal, na? Here you have decimal. So write this decimal here also. This is important. 23s are 60. So after subtraction 3, 9 comes down, but before 9 you have decimal. So put this decimal here also. This is very important. Now 20 ones are 20. 9 1 2. 28 nines are 180. 4. Now 26 are 120. So remainder is 24 here. Remainder is not 0. Remainder is not 0. So no need to worry. Write it as no need to divide further. Write like this. In the result, write down 3.196 approximate. APPH dot approximate. No need to divide further if remainder is not 0. Don't worry. Write result here and under the bracket write down APPX dot approximate. Approximate is the indication of remainder is not 0. So I am repeating, if the remainder is not 0, then no need to worry. Write down the quotient here 3.196 and under the bracket write down approximate. Approximate means remainder हमारा 0 नहीं आया but हमारा आंसर इसके आसपास ही आएगा. So this is the meaning of approximate. Yes, remainder is 4. Remainder is 4 here. What is the remainder here? Remainder is equal to 4 here. 120 minus 20 is equal to 4. Note down. And show this division in fair, not in rough, because this sum is based on division. Good. Yes, okay. Now let's recapitulate this topic. Kritigya, unmute yourself. The homework is to revise today's work. Kinjal Sharma, no need to worry about homework. Homework daily I will send you through WhatsApp. So why you are worrying about homework? आपको रोज होमवर्क मिलता नहीं है? प्रतिज्ञा, आर यू हियरिंग मी? Kritigya, you are unmute beta. Speak. Yes, चैतन्य, डेसिमल को पॉइंट भी बोलते हैं. डेसिमल लिखो चाहे पॉइंट लिखो, बोथ आर द सेम थिंग. Kritigya, you are unmute beta. Speak. Lavanya, 5th D. Yes, Lavanya.
Good morning, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा, what's your name?
Lavanya.
Lavanya. Okay. Lavanya, tell me, to solve these kind of sums, means to solve the sum based on conversion, which mnemonic we will use? Tell me the name of that mnemonic. Which mnemonic we will use to solve the sum based on conversion? Means to convert kilometer to meter, to convert hectometer to decameter, to convert centigram to milligram. Which mnemonic we will use? Which mnemonic helps us to make our sum easy?
मैम वो जो आपने स्टार्टिंग में करवाया था लाइक
Yes, yes, yes. Tell me, tell me.
King Henry died. Mother
Yes.
didn't cry much.
Very good. So King Harry bolo ya Henry bolo, both are correct. So King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. Very good. Well done. Parth from the class 5th C. Parth. Bhavya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, beta. Now, beta, tell me, if we are right, King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. So this
Ma'am, yes.
meter in the middle, na? This is basic or standard unit.
Ma'am, yes.
Now tell me, left hand side we have 3 units, right hand
Ma'am,
side
yes.
we have 3 units. Which units are bigger and which units are smaller?
Ma'am, kilometer, hectometer, decimeter.
These are what?
Ma'am, are they bigger?
These
Ma'am,
are
bigger.
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 Ji, beta, you are saying kilometer, hectometer and decimeter. Not decimeter. The first one is deca. Deca and deci. This is deci. Use the alphabetical order. In alphabetically look here. D same. E same. C same. The only difference is A and I. Alphabetically A comes first. अगर हम ABC के अकॉर्डिंग देखें तो A और I में से पहले कौन आता है?
मम्मी.
तो डेका पहले आएगा बेटा, डेसी नहीं आएगा. ये मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था. नो नीड टू गेट कंफ्यूज. यूज द अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर as the spellings are same, but the only difference is A and I. This is the difference, A and I. And alphabetically, A comes first, means deca first and deci second. Okay, so all 3 units are bigger units and these units are smaller.
Smaller.
Okay.
Okay.
Students, note down, you have problem in board mass concept now. So revise board mass concept today. Tomorrow in the class, I will discuss exercise 5C. That is based on the concept of board mass with you. But before that, आज आपने 5th C को अच्छे से रिवाइज करना है, तभी आपको कल मेरा कॉन्सेप्ट और अच्छे से समझ आएगा. Okay? So write down first of all homework. Tomorrow we will do the concept of board mass. So revise the concept of body mass. And tomorrow we will discuss exercise 5C based on this body mass, along with 5D also, but revise 5C only. You will revise 5C only. This 5D I will discuss with you. Myra, notebooks are checked by मैम परमजीत. तो वो आपको मैसेज भेज देंगे परमजीत मैम ने, जब कॉपी चेक करनी है ना आपको मैसेज आ जाएगा. नोटबुक्स मैं नहीं चेक करती, परमजीत